Hi, on my workbench today, an air fryer from Bredeco. So, if you want to fry some stuff at home, but you really don't like the grease and oil that is connected with a normal fryer, well, the machine is for you. First of all, it doesn't use any fat, so there's no fumes from that fat when it's frying, and it still does the job. So it's kind of like the healthy way of frying. So this particular device works with 1425 watts, so it's quite powerful and quite compact, with a really nice design, I reckon, so it will fit in every kitchen. There is a special basket housing. Inside you have a basket where you're frying your goods. There's the fryer basket release button, so you just depress it and you can take the basket out in order to serve it or wash it for, well, you can take it out for cleaning. When you reassemble the machine, just make sure the button, the slide is aligned. You just click it in. It's a simple click in, click out system, and then you can insert your goods back in the machine. Alright, so maybe I should do a portion of sweet potato fries and I'll show you how the device works. So starting, first of all, on the bottom on the side there is the main on and off switch, so you turn that on. As you can see, the display will light up, so you can take out your basket housing, take the basket out for easier operation. You just pack the stuff that you want to fry inside, in this case sweet potato wedges. Of course you can do a lot of stuff in it. I've done some whole chicken, I've done some fish in it, I've done some steak, so you can really use it to many things. It's quite versatile. A couple of things. Do not overload the basket. You should sort of, like, keep it half full. And one advice there, in order to get this really uniform cooking result, you should always stir it halfway through the process. Talking about halfway and the times, there is this little guide on the top of the machine that will tell you exactly what temperature you should select and what time it needs to be done. Obviously, like with all cooking, you should sort of, like, experiment, keep trying, like, and figuring out, like, what's best time for the result that you want to achieve. In my case, well, I just trust the guide, so it's 200 degrees for 12 to 18 minutes. I like some of my sweet potato fries done a little bit more. So first the temperature, first you turn it on, of course. It will automatically set on 200 degrees, then you change the time. It says 30 minutes, let's change it according to the guides to 18 minutes, and then you just press the start button. So after 18 minutes the machine will release a signal, meaning that it's ready. In order to get, like, really proper results, you should always start by reheating the whole machine up to 200 degrees or whatever temperature you need. Leave it there for 3 minutes and then insert your goods. It will always take about 2-3 minutes for the device to heat up. So if you are putting it in a cold machine, you should actually add, like, the 2-3 minutes extra. How long exactly it takes? Well, you figure it out after a couple of times. But I reckon my 18 minutes for the potato wedges will be absolutely fine. Alright, I still have some time left, so before I show you the end result, let me just tell you, if you're looking for an air fryer or a small fryer, just have a look at the website, because there's a whole range of these devices on offer. If you order one of these, however, be sure to get 3 years warranty, and the producer also packed it really secure package, so you don't need to worry about the transport, because the machine will arrive in a really sturdy cardboard box with some packaging material in it, some styrofoam and bubble wrap, so nothing should happen to it on its way to your place. Also inside you will find an instruction manual. Please have a look at it because there's a lot of useful information on how to prep the device for its first use, how to clean and operate it, and so on. So definitely worth having at least one look. Alright, so now I have still 3 minutes left. Alright, the time is up, so let's see what happened there. Let's take it out, push the button, release the basket, and there you go. Roasted sweet potatoes without a drop of oil or fat. So healthy as. Well, that's what it's for. So if you found this information useful, just leave me a comment in the comment section. Let me know what other equipment I can test for you and I'll do it. I thank you guys for watching and I see you next time.